Little Early English Education.
Hello, super learners! Today we're going to draw and color Numberblock 90. Super stylish and made of lots and lots of tens. Are you ready? Let's go! First, draw a big tall rectangle. N-I-N-E-T-Y. 90. He's big, gray, super stylish, and made of lots and lots of tens. This is Numberblock 90's body. It should be much taller than it is wide. Now, using a ruler, draw 9 horizontal lines inside the rectangle. That divides the body into 10 rows. Each row represents a group of 10 because 10 times 9 equals 90.
They're white and puffy, watching us fly.
That's N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90.
Draw a sun so golden, a big and happy face. That's one bright sun so shiny, lighting up this place. Now 2 big hairs so fluffy, floating in the sky. 1, 2, they're white and puffy, watching us
Draw
fly.
8 vertical lines. Wow, that's a total of 90 little squares. Let's count by tens together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60,
the colors that we see. 3 little green trees swaying happy as
70,
4 bright orange flowers blooming in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, watch our garden
80,
grow. 5 big
90.
brown bees buzzing around the trees.
Now let's draw the face. Move to the second row from the top. Draw 2 big square eyes right in the middle. Add little pupils inside the eyes to make them look happy. Now draw the smile just under the eyes. Just above the eyes, draw 2 big eyebrows. That's our Numberblock 90. Draw short arms peeking out from the middle rows, 2 short legs, and add a tiny pocket on the side. Now draw a little number badge in the center of his tummy with the number 90 written on it. Great job! Now let's draw his hair. It's shaped like a cute little shield. Amazing! Let's clean up. Go over the good lines with a darker pencil or marker and erase any extra sketchy lines.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We want to catch them all. And 9 red yummy apples in a basket deep and wide. 1, 2,
Let's
3,
bring
4, 5, 6,
Numberblock
7, 8,
90
9.
to
We're
life
happy,
with
feeling
colors.
high.
Are you
And
ready?
little stars are twinkling in
First,
the
pick
night
up your
sky.
black
1, 2,
color
3, 4, 5,
and
6, 7, 8,
carefully
9,
color
10.
in the pupils.
All counting through.
Just a tiny line connecting the 2 eyes. Now use a dark blue color. Color in his eyebrows and his smile with dark blue. D-A-R-K-B-L-U-E. He's looking super friendly now. Let's color 90's blocks using different shades of gray. Color the first 3 columns with light gray. That's L-I-G-H-T-G-R-A-Y. Light gray.
Let's draw and then we'll play. Grab the crayons, markers too, a paper nice and white. Let's make a happy picture with colors shining bright. Oh, drawing, coloring, counting fun. A happy, happy day. From 1 to 10 we're learning. Hooray, hooray, hooray. Red and blue and yellow, green and purple too. Imagine anything you dream and make it bright and new. Let's draw a sun so golden, a big and happy face. Yay! Sun so shiny.
Now color the next 3 columns with medium gray. M-E-D-I-U-M-G-R-A-Y. Medium gray.
Oh, drawing, coloring, counting fun. A happy, happy day. From 1 to 10 we're learning. Hooray, hooray, hooray. Red and blue and yellow, green and purple too. Imagine anything you dream and make it bright and new. Now let's count some little things. The colors that we see. 3 little green trees swaying, happy as can be. 1, 2, 3, 4, orange flowers blooming in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, watch our garden grow.
And finally, color the last 3 columns with dark gray. D-A-R-K-G-R-A-Y, dark gray. All these shades of gray make me look very sharp. How many groups of 10 are in 90? Let's count one more time. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Great job! Numberblock 90's gradient gray body is complete. Now use soft rainbow colors like pastel pink, mint green, baby blue, gentle peach. Color his arms and legs using these soft rainbow tones. You can mix these in creative ways to color his arms and legs. Let's color his hair using the same pastel rainbow color. Each stripe on his hair can be a different color. So pretty and colorful. And finally, color the small pocket on his side with your rainbow colors too. It shines just like his hair and badge. Finally, color the number badge on his tummy and the little pocket with the same rainbow effect. You just draw and colored all 90 blocks. Great job! Great work, everyone! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun drawing and coloring. Bye-bye! See you next time!
Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.